heading up the coast. We are not sailing. We decided to get off the boat for a while because we were kind of holed up because of my vertigo. I was in bed a lot, and Billy was working a ton. In fact, he is getting so much work that he wanted to take off too. Yep. Just get out of Dodge for a couple of days. He's been taking on a lot of big boats in San Diego lately, so that's actually a good thing. And so we're heading up north. Right now we're on the 101 and we're heading to Pismo Beach. And the thing about Pismo is every time we drive up the coast to go see my brother, I unquestionably am drawn to this one hotel, right? And
Kon Tiki.
Just because I guess I like octopuses, tikis, rubber ducks, what else? And Billy. We need a bobblehead of Billy. And anyway, so Billy, a sneaky tiki, and he surprised me with a trip up here for Memorial Day and booked it without letting me know. So thanks, Billy.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And of course, like, we're not sailing, as I said, but we rented a, what is this, a Dodge Ram
1500.
Yeah. Because we have our bikes, we have our surfboards, we have a cooler, we have all this crap. Ukulele, by the way, which I got it tuned, so stay tuned for my tuning of the ukulele. The thing you have to bring is your ukulele to the Kon Tiki. I'm kind of shy when it comes to singing and playing my ukulele in front of people, so we'll see. But I do have a couple songs that I have memorized, but I'm going to tune it real quick. It's a little out of tune. And a good way to remember that is giant cockroaches eat a lot. My dad actually taught me the ukulele when I was young. He said my dog has fleas. My dog has fleas. So my dad taught me this one.
Together, go for a ride. Cruising down the avenue, thinking about what I might just do. At 12:30 and I'm all alone, sitting on the sofa, drinking by the phone, counting seeds in an empty sack.
Wow, it's actually really clean. Check this out. You know what? This is better looking than even in the brochure. Okay, we're going to show you the view. But look at this. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, here's the view, baby. It's gorgeous, actually. And it's very, how much was this, baby? Wasn't even that much. Was it 140 a night or 130? I think it was 130 per night. So right on the beach. Amazing. It's actually, and everybody is very friendly so far. Very, very quiet. There's a lot of old people here, so it's still very early. And we're going to take our bikes and we're going to go to Main Street and get some breakfast. Why am I talking like Elmer Fudd? Because Billy found this out last night. What did you find out?
Bugs Bunny was always wanting to come to Pismo Beach, but never got here. He always took a wrong turn somewhere.
Hey, baby, you ready to start boxing around?
Racquetball.
Okay.
Throwback.
I'm going to kick his ass, by the way. I was number 2 in the world in 16 and under girls double. But
she's not 16 anymore.
I'm not 16 anymore. In fact, you know what? We better stretch because we're pretty old. Yeah. What's our second event?
Oh, bowling.
Pizza bowling. Stretching, stretch. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Back here.
Back here. Yeah?
You know, I'm kind of bored. I think I'm gonna go surfing.
Okay.
You wanna come film me?
Sure.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Okay.
All right, we're heading back from the Kon Tiki. We had a great time and totally great place. A lot of good people. Even the the workers there
Seem happy.
seemed happy and just happy to help you, which we're not used to in San Diego. But we didn't even get to do half the stuff that we wanted to do, so we're gonna go back up there again. And next time we'll hit up the dunes. We'll rent a racer and go play around in the sand dunes. Maybe go see the Hearst Castle up in San Simeon, which is further north than the Kon Tiki.
Call your niece. Who's in San Luis Obispo.
Oh, that's right. My niece is going to Cal Poly. See, we got to do a turnaround, so we're driving back to San Diego, but 2 days we got to drive up to LA because Billy has a job, kind of a cool one.
Yeah, it's going to be a mediation between an insurance company and an owner of a 106-foot boat that had an accident out at sea, and it involved it was a big sailboat, so it had rigging issues, and it's been 2 years it's taken him to really fix it, and you're trying to get the insurance company to pay him off what he thinks he's owed. Lloyd's of London is the insurance company.
Lloyd's of London. Wow. Ooh la la.
Yeah. It's interesting. The guy just called me, and I know the boat, and I know some of the recent stories about the boat, but I have not seen the old surveys from when the accident happened, and I have not seen. They just went out on a sea trial last week, so we're thinking the boat's done. They want to get the whole claim settled. We'll see what happens, but I bet the claim's going to be somewhere in the $2 million.
Really? Ciao for now. Thank you, Fox.